Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your card covers in Trello. So once you inside your Trello, guys, you can see that for this specific card, I have a picture here. That's what is called a cover. And if I right click on it, you have the option to change the cover. It's going to appear here. Now here you have the option to remove that specific cover. And once I click on remove, it's going to remove the picture. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you now that it is now removed. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna simply add back that cover here, and I'm gonna show you how to permanently delete that specific cover as well. That includes that attachment, that image that is assigned or add to that specific card. So how do you do that? You open up or click on that specific card, and here at the top you'll find the image. Now if you click on the cover here, you will only have the option to remove, and it's going to only remove that specific cover, right? But it will not remove the image. So in order to delete the image, you click on the image at the top, and here at the bottom you have the option to remove cover, which is the normal things that we're doing, but also to delete. Now once you click on delete, it will tell you that it will delete the image permanently. It will also remove it. So as you can see, it's removed. And if I go ahead and click on cover, for example, you realize I no longer have that image as an attachment, and it's also no longer showing here into my Trello book card here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to delete your cards in Trello.